Hi there, welcome to another help video. In this video, we will be going over how to make the most out of your eClub page. Let's jump right in. So go to Menu and Pages, Menu Pages, and then click eClub. We noticed that a lot of our clients were not fully utilizing their eClub pages. Thus, I want to go over how to add stack items to your eClub homepage, how to add subpages, and how to increase your eClub membership numbers. First, let's go to the demo site to show you how to log in or sign up to be a part of the eClub. So when you click the eClub tab, you'll see the welcome area, and then it'll have you either sign up or log in to be a part of the membership club. You can also log in or sign up in the top left-hand corner here. So once you're logged in, you get to see a little bit more information here depending on how much you add to your homepage. We will be going over how to add stack items to your homepage later in this video. So let's go back to the admin site. Before we get started, I want to note that in a previous video, I created a photo contest titled Coolest Car Contest. For more information on how to create custom forms, please reference our custom forms overview video or visit our help center. In this video, I will assume that you know how to create custom forms, and I will be showing you how to make the photo contest only available to eClub members. First, I'm going to add the Coolest Car Contest as a subpage under the eClub tab. So I'm going to scroll down and enter the new subpage name, and then click Add Page. Now I'm going to scroll down and click the yellow edit icon. I now need to add the custom form as a page item. So again, I'm going to enter the item name and then select the custom form button and then click add item. As you can see, this item needs attention, so I'm going to click this yellow icon, go under form settings, and now select the form, which is Coolest Cars. Then click Save Changes. Now our item has been added below, and I'm going to delete this editor icon because we don't need it. Now I'm going to go back to the parent page, and now go over how to add top level page items here. Now say you want to add a photo contest item on your homepage. So enter the new name here, and then click Add Item. I want to note that any items above this eClub item will be visible to the public. However, anything below it is only visible to those that are logged in as eClub members. So I'm going to move this photo contest item down so only the members can see it. Next, click the item name to edit the content editor items. So I'm just going to add some text to enter the Coolest Car Contest here, and I'm going to link the subpage that we just created to this here. So I'm going to click the link button, go to internal page, scroll down to eClub, and then click the Coolest Car Contest and select OK. This is now a clickable link, so I'm going to click the Save Changes button. And now let's go to our website to see how this looks. So when you hover over the eClub tab, you can either click the subpage directly or click the eClub and go to the home page and see that you can enter the contest here and choose that link. I want to note that if I was not logged in as a member, I would not be able to see this. So I'm going to log out quickly, go to eClub, and see it'll prompt you to log in here or join. Again, if you try to click this subpage here for the contest, it'll prompt you to log in or register for an account here. Making pages on your websites, such as the photo contest, only available to eClub members will work as an incentive to get more people to join your eClub. Thus, your eClub membership numbers will increase, which will broaden your reach. Once individuals are a part of your eClub, you will be able to interact with your members and send them newsletters to promote your business, website, etc. And that wraps up this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to visit our help center or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other help videos, and we'll see you next time.